Hey everyone, welcome to another walkthrough video of Excel Wonders. We're going to talk about a template called Doughnut Chart Template. As the name suggests, this tool allows you to create donut charts. We have here two donut charts. We have a regular and one with motion. I'll show you the one in motion in a second, but starting with the regular, it essentially has two parts. It has the chart itself and it has a table that includes the values that you'll see in the chart. So for example, what you can do here is to make edits, is to add a new row. Like for example, clicking here, new row, and it adds a new row here. Let's call it test. Let's put, for example, a gigantic number so you can see the changes in the chart. And here it is. Test here has 500. You can move it up. You can reorder it however you want. You can move it down. And you finally can delete. Once you delete, you'll see the chart is back to normal. It shows also in the middle a consolidation, which is the sum of all the values here. And that's pretty much the page here for regular. With motion, it's pretty much the same thing except for two big differences. One is that instead of one column, you see three because it allows you to add values for three distinct periods of time or time frames. And the second difference is that you can actually make this chart run with motion. So you can click here to start, and you will see that every 5 seconds the chart will change. So right now it changed to 2023 and it took all the values from 2023 and now to 2024. That's why it's called a chart with motion. And in the end it shows the timer is complete. All the other things, like for example adding new rows, moving them around up and down, or deleting rows, or updating the chart, all of that is the same as in regular. And then in settings, there's a few things you can do. First, you have distinct settings for the donut chart without motion and with motion. In the without motion, you can basically change the labels, how you want to call the categories and how you want to call the series, and how you want to format the numbers in the series. In the donuts chart, you can do the same exact thing, but you can do a few other things on top. First, you can define the time frames. So for example, I have here for the time frames to be a year. It could be quarters, could be months, whatever you want. And you can also set the number of seconds that go between one frame and the other as the chart changes its form from one time frame to another. Right now I have 5 seconds, it could be 3, for example. So next time when I press play, it will change the frame every 3 seconds. And finally, it allows you to choose whether you want to display a completion pop-up when the time is up or not. And that's pretty much it.